Joy, ito. Kunin mo dito. Meron pa. Meron na tayo. Yan.
Oh. Ang kayo.
Bigay pa.
Sabi na.
Ito. This one.
Ito pa. Pila.
Okay na yan. Yan.
Fresh na fresh, oh.
Fresh na fresh. Wala na ba? Yan.
Fresh na fresh, oh.
Fresh na fresh. Wala na ba?
You have different varieties, right? There's a different. You see that? Yeah, in that one behind the.
Ito. Long onion.
Onion.
Oh, kunin mo to.
The onions good for the
Puputulin yan.
palabok.
Hi.
Putulin natin o yung daon lang. Ito lang, ganyan
Oh,
lang.
yan. Oh.
Wow, very nice to make yummy food.
What is so big?
Cooking.
Salit. Pwede ito. Putulin mo to.
Bernie,
Ito?
this kind of tomato is easy.
Oh.
Daming onion.
Oh, these are perfect for salad.
Kuha ka pa.
Or just eat on its own, like
Dami.
wow. Oh, this eggplant is so pretty.
Yan.
Yummy.
Yummy.
Picture.
Laki oh. Pangsilom sa araw.
Take the this.
Gusto mo yung bulak ito, ito.
Ano
Oh,
yan?
iba. Green ones too.
It's okay.
Eva, you need to leave the green, let them
Leave
grow.
it. It's not.
We come back.
There's more there.
Come back and eat it.
Come back next
You come back next week.
It's red already.
Bunutin mo.
Oh. Magkare-kare ka na, Ate Joy.
Sarap
Ngayon na?
kare-kare. Ngayon na.
Ngayon na.
So nice.
Look at this.
You grow like that.
Yung grocery store dito, pwede na.
Ito na yung sasayaw pa na. Magic! Ito yun daw sayaw.
Nagsayaw ng peste.
Pesting gulay.